It's 2025. The business world is smarter, faster, and more automated than ever before. AI is making decisions, blockchain is securing records, and cloud computing is the backbone of every operation. Amidst this digital revolution, one question is echoing in boardrooms, audits, and startup huddles across the world. Are ISO standards still relevant? Many believe ISO is just paperwork, a dusty certificate hung on the wall. But is that really true? Or are ISO standards evolving quietly, adapting to our fast-changing world? In this session, we will unpack the truth, debunk myths, and reveal how ISO standards remain not only relevant, but critical to business success in 2025. What are ISO standards? A quick refresher. Before we judge their relevance, let's revisit what ISO standards actually are. The International Organization for Standardization creates internationally agreed upon standards to ensure quality, safety, efficiency, and interoperability across industries. From ISO 9001 for quality, ISO 27001 for information security, to ISO 14001 for environment, and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety. These standards are globally recognized tools, but they are more than technical checklists. They are frameworks that guide organizations to perform better, comply with regulations, and meet customer expectations. They help build trust, consistency, and competitiveness, and trust, even in 2025, remains non-negotiable. Misconceptions about ISO in today's world. Let's address the elephant in the room. In the digital age, many question if ISO has become outdated. Here are common misconceptions. ISO is just paperwork. Reality, when implemented properly, ISO is not documentation. It is a system for performance excellence. Startups don't need ISO. Reality, startups aiming for global clients, investors, and scale absolutely benefit from early adoption. Technology replaces standards. Reality, tools like AI or cloud apps are just enablers. Without structured processes, they create chaos, not clarity. ISO doesn't adapt to modern risk. Reality, ISO standards are continuously revised. For instance, ISO 27001 2022 now includes cyber, cloud, and remote work risk. The evolution of ISO standards. ISO is not static. Let's look at how key standards have evolved. ISO 9001 moved from documentation-heavy compliance to a risk-based quality management system. ISO 27001 now includes guidance on cyber threats, cloud security, and AI-assisted risk. ISO 14001 supports sustainability, carbon tracking, and life cycle thinking, aligned with global climate goals. ISO 22301 has transformed to address pandemic readiness, supply chain disruptions, and digital continuity. These updates reflect one truth: ISO standards evolve with industry, technology, and society. Why ISO still matters in 2025? Top 5 reasons. Global trust and recognition. In a world where business crosses borders in seconds, ISO offers a language of trust. It tells clients, regulators, and partners that you meet international expectations. Risk management in a complex world. From data breaches to environmental disasters, ISO frameworks help identify, assess, and reduce risk in a structured way. Customer confidence. Whether it is a hospital, ISO 13485, food supplier, ISO 22000, or software company, ISO 27001, ISO certification builds customer confidence and loyalty. Legal and regulatory compliance. ISO helps align with local and international laws, especially with regulations like GDPR, DPDP Act, HIPAA, and ESG mandates. Improved efficiency and innovation. ISO isn't about slowing you down. It is about building lean, consistent, and smart processes that reduce waste and enable continuous improvement. ISO and technology. Partners, not competitors. Many argue that AI, automation, and analytics have made ISO irrelevant. But in reality, these tools only work when plugged into structured systems. ISO standards provide that structure. Imagine training an AI to manage your security system. If you don't have defined processes, access roles, or risk categorization, how will the AI learn? ISO ensures that your digital tools are guided by human-defined standards. ISO and technology are allies. ISO creates the foundation, tech builds the superstructure. The future of ISO, what is next? ISO is not slowing down. Upcoming developments include AI ethics standards, digital twin risk assessment, greenhouse gas and sustainability metrics, global supply chain traceability. ISO will continue to adapt as long as businesses evolve. ISO will evolve with them. Is ISO still relevant in 2025? Let's answer the question clearly. Yes, ISO standards are absolutely relevant in 2025. In fact, they are more important than ever before. In a world filled with digital complexity, global expectations, and constant change, you need clarity, consistency, and control. And ISO standards provide exactly that. They are not just for compliance, they are for competitiveness, continuity, and credibility. If your organization is still unsure about ISO, now is the time to revisit your strategy. ISO is not just a document, it is a blueprint for excellence. Need help getting started? Want to upgrade your existing system? Curious about how to integrate ISO with AI tools? Drop your questions in the comments. Like and share this video with your team. Subscribe to TNB Academy for more ISO insights. Let's not just survive in 2025. Let's standardize and succeed. And I, Akanksha Vishwa, will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.